I think there's so many tools out there that are single feature tools, right? You have your AI shorts or long form to short form extraction. You have just captions. You have just eye contact or just denoise. There's all these like single feature tools where you end up shooting your video, importing, checking the box, exporting, importing, import, as it goes on. And I think the company started as a feature, right? We added captions. That's how we got the name. But we are turning more into a platform. And the idea of the three parts of production, the pre-production, production, and post-production, that's changing with AI. I think pre-production used to be you would get into a writer's room or you'd work on your own and write a script. Then you'd actually set up your lighting and your mics and your camera and your talent and you would shoot. And then you would fix it in post, as everyone says. So you had those three different platforms and three different parts of the content creation process. And I think what we'd like to do is shorten each one and more seamlessly move from one to the other so that the pre-production could be helped with AI, script generation. The production could be helped with using our teleprompter or even using some of the stuff that we're launching shortly, which is some sort of like digital version of yourself or an avatar or ad creation. And then the post-production, which is the hardest and most time-consuming part, is the actual editing and Premiere or Final Cut. AI do those tedious things for you. So can we do 90% of your editing for you? And then you look back and say, 5 years ago, the pre, the post, the production and the post took 2 days, let's say. Can we cut that down to a couple of hours or a couple of minutes? And then you can focus more on the storytelling. Or if quantity is what you're after, you can do so seamlessly or without the help of paying contractors or additional tools. So yeah, all the people that used to help you as adjacent editors or videographers or people that had single jobs, you can do a lot of that now. I mean, think about Photoshop and Canva. You have to pay someone to create a flyer for you. Now you can do it yourself. And that's what we really want to do for video.